Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Shakti Enterprises. So basically we sell car radiators and car AC parts, and we have this uh, car AC part basically. So this is for one of the very special XUV, and this is for XUV 500, which is a very popular car from Mahindra. Now we have got a new one, XUV 700, but the base car is XUV 500, which made this popular. All right, so I'll just unbox this. This is the blower motor for XUV 500. You can see the packaging. It's a really cool and safe packaging. Here is the actual part. So you can see it from this side. All right, so you can just check the specification. This is the coupler. It's basically a 2-pin coupler. This is the motor, and this is the part which blows the cool air. So if you would like to order this XUV 500 blower motor, you can simply contact us via Shakti Enterprises. We are located in Rohini Sector 11. Please note, we do not offer cash on delivery. Alright. I hope you like this video, and if you need this part, you can simply call us. Thank you so much. I hope you are enjoying your day. Have a great day. Bye-bye.